Good day, everyone. We are the Group 2 and we are here to present our decision and solution analysis on New AgriFields Limited. First, we would like to introduce ourselves before we discuss the content of our case study paper.
I'm Joshua Katigum.
I'm Dana Lee.
I'm Carl Pamandaran.
And I'm Trina Angela Talentino.
The first discussion will be the decision analysis, wherein the group will present the four components of decision analysis. The group will also discuss their cost, benefit, and criteria analysis for the given problem.
The first component of decision analysis is complexity. The company intends to apply a new and upgraded database system that enables them to record all of the purchase orders efficiently. However, the company will still consider some factors such as uncertainty, options, and financial status before choosing the suitable database. As for new agri-feeds, the software may be expensive and have restricted functionality, which would hinder the company's growth plans. Uncertainties like high prices, restricted features and programs, difficulty to set up and use may develop throughout the ordering system's production phase.
The company intends for shipping and ordering process by utilizing a PM program and a new purchase order recording system. Despite the company's preparation and knowledge of the difficulties, uncertainties are unavoidable. Corporation will incur for setting up the PMDT and increasing utility prices, but will also reduce existing monthly repairs and maintenance costs, penalty costs, opportunity costs, and truck downtime. There may also be inherent ambiguities in the new recording system, software's performance, cost, setup, data administration, and convenience of use.
As for the decision maker of the decision making process of the New AgriFields Limited, the company has allocated for a preventive maintenance program. The scheme has reduced monthly car repair and maintenance costs, penalty fines, and opportunity costs. To improve New AgriFields Limited's data system, all purchase orders should be recorded into a database. However, the firm is unable to choose among the three options. The New AgriFields Limited established four criteria for selecting an appropriate recording system for its expansion: searching, saving and storing of data, and organizing data for quick access is critical in improving the company's current recording system.
Moving on to the problem, New AgriFeeds Limited has studied the issue of late deliveries and has proposed feasible remedies. The owner must still examine aspects such as will the investment in the PM program and new recording software system be worthwhile. However, despite the owner's stated goals, the company is having trouble making decisions.
As previously indicated, the organization has defined four parameters to be considered when selecting a recording system, which are cost, setup, data administration, and user friendliness. Using the criteria, the group concluded that the database program should track all purchase orders for New AgriFeeds Limited. As a result of the observed data, the database software package is defined as expensive with a total amount of 37,500 pesos per month, yet it is easy to set up. However, data management and usability are judged good by the ratings. The organization chose this alternative since the software's general functioning is claimed to be user-friendly for the company's secretary and clients.
Um, the table shows the cost-benefit analysis for the preventive maintenance, PM, and database system. According to the data, the total cost of the company's renovation project is amounting to 3,474,939 pesos. However, the monthly repairs and maintenance of the vehicles and other benefits will be reduced by 9,600.
Next is the solutions design. The researchers utilized the critical to quality tree, which is an industrial engineering tool that helps the customer or user understand what drivers are required to achieve the goal. In the case study, the three software system alternatives, MS Excel, MS Access Database, and database software, are said to be driving the need to optimize the purchase process of the new AgriFeeds Limited. It is ranked as the number one priority by the new AgriFeeds Limited, as this would enhance the company's purchasing system, data management, and convenience of use. For data administration, MS Access functionality and user-friendliness than database software, but they are less expensive.
Moving on to the project charter. Uh, Prevailing resource allocation, and a clear plan for implementing the target proposition are offered in Table 1. In summary, New AgriFeeds Limited developed practical solutions to supply timing issues. According to the organization's goals, they delivered two solutions: a preventive maintenance program for the delivery vehicle and a database software system for storing client purchase orders.
Moving on, the corporation would save money on penalties, lost opportunities, monthly maintenance, and repairs, resulting in longer vehicle life and successful deliveries. Using a new database software system would provide efficient data searching, sorting, and categorization, as well as reports and data manipulation for analysis comparable to other Microsoft Offices. The tool also assists the user in avoiding errors in the database's stored data.
Also, the formation of PM maintenance will cost corporation 1.5 million and another 1.9 million for the facilities acquisition and additional 10,000 pesos for utility expenses. Technicians will be hired with a gross monthly remuneration of 13,719 pesos. As for the database software, it will be required the company to consider a various criteria as stated on the project charter in choosing the appropriate database software system to be utilized by the company.
In conclusion, as previously indicated, the organization has defined four parameters to consider when selecting a recording system: the cost, setup, data administration, and user friendliness. Using the criteria, the group determined that the database program should track all purchase orders for New AgriFeeds Limited, since it caters to most of the attributes that a company wants to pursue. With that in mind, refer to Table 1. It is shown that the option to establish a database software is the suitable option that can resolve all the all of the purchasing order problems of the new AgriFeeds Limited.
As for Figure 1, the critical to quality tree help the researchers to assess which actions are needed and required based on the voice of the customers. In the case of the new AgriFields Limited, the customers are having difficulties on the organization and inaccuracies of the purchase orders, which leads to misunderstandings, wrong orders, and especially late arrivals of the feeds ingredients.
The analysis of the critical to quality tree is used to branch out which factors to prioritize to improve the process and the whole system of recording and storing of data. It has been categorized into three components, which are the need, which is the to identify the critical need for the customers to be satisfied with the first with the service of the company, which is to adopt an efficient software system. Next is the drivers, specific quality drivers that have to be in place to meet the needs, which is the three data software systems taken into consideration. And lastly, the requirements, which is to determine the minimum performance requirements that are measurable and must be satisfied for each driver, specifically the cost, difficulty of setup, data management, and the ease of use.
And that ends our presentation for our case analysis 3 on New Agri Feeds Limited. Once again, we thank you for watching.